So I have this backup which is 16 MB. So for this we need serial number. So already I have written, again I will show you. I will go to hex and I will just type LENV. Here you can see already LENV, and you can see if you know the Lenovo serial number, the Lenovo serial number is up to 8-digit number. Here I can see this is the Lenovo serial number PF12345678. So I will copy this serial number and now I will go to Chrome. Now I'll search Lenovo driver. Here Lenovo driver. Wait 1 minute. Here you can see, again I'll refresh Lenovo driver. Wait a second. Let me connect once. Okay. Now select PC and I will paste the serial number. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One is extra. Now you can see here we have, this is the model. So I will select driver and software. Now I have select manual update and BIOS UEFI. I will download board. This is the BIOS update. Let's download this. Another one, we need this one, Intel Management Engine firmware. So first, this also let me download. You can see here we have two, that is one in KB and one is on MB. So I will download at MB. So 57 is NS firmware and this one is a 60 is a BIOS region. So first I will wait. I don't want this step now. Now let's copy the file. Here you can see this is my BIOS. So I'll keep inside this folder. And we need to extract this. So we need an extractor. This is, we have email extraction, open file location, and we have this one. Now I will drag and drop this. Extract the Lenovo exe BIOS. Now we got that, you can see here code. So again we have to extract this one, right click. I will right click again. Again we got inside, this is the BIOS FD we got. So this also have to extract, so we need one tools. I will show you first. Let me take out this BIOS outside. I will paste here. This is the BIOS FD. So You can see here, for extracting this BIOS FD, we need one tool, phonics extractor. So we have this phonics extractor tool. What we have to do is directly drag and drop this BIOS FD. So now you can see I will drag and drop and start. Again, with you can see here we got this BIOS FD.image. So this is the old BIOS. Let me rename this. Rename old BIOS. Okay, and we got this new BIOS, which is same size. So let me delete this all. We don't want this also. We don't want. And this is rename new BIOS. But now we have to clean ME. You can see here we have to clean ME also. So first I'll open here. You can see now we have taken the BIOS region is we got new BIOS region, but need to clean ME. So we will clean the ME also. So first we need this repository. Before we have download the repository file also, so we will prepare that also. Here I will take this one and I will paste here. Again we need to extract this again also. So we need that tool again, Inno extractor. This is the Inno extractor. So again I will drag and drop on the Inno extractor. So again you can see we got code get extract path. Again we will take this from here. You can see here firmware update consumer product dot bin. So let me compare whether our old BIOS is consumer or not. So I will take out from here Control X. Just I cut it out. Now you can see I will compare with my old BIOS whether our matching or not. This is my old BIOS. Let me see here. You can see here we have consumer LP, and now what we got is same. Here you can see same consumer LP ICP I select point. ICP means I select point. It's 10 generation. Okay, and consumer. So now it's both matching, but we have to check whether in any we have garbage or not. So for checking this, I will drop this in the hex workshop, and you can see we have 16-digit $FPT means it's no need to trim or anything. We have got this ME repository. Now we need is the tool. So let me see which tool I need. I'll drop in the ME analyzer. So we need 13.0 12 generation tools. Here I have taken 13.0. Last time I prepared this tool. So I will take the tool as already I have tool ME cleaning tools updated CSV tool. So I will go to 13.0. I have taken this 13.0 tool, copy, and I will FIT tool, and you can see here we got this And now I will drag and drop the not old BIOS but new BIOS which we have built. So I will drag and drop direct. You can see here with no error, and we have to go to build setting, generate intermediate file. Means you don't, it means you want garbage or not. So we don't want garbage, so we do no. Again we save the file, save as untitled.xml. Okay, now we will cut it again, go and we will go back and we will take this repository file, control X, and I will go inside. So we got new BIOS decompose, and now I will paste here. And where is this is the ME subpartition. I will copy the name, copy again, and I will rename this a.bin. Where is it? That one. And this one, firmware rename, and I will give this name ME subpartition, and I will delete this old ME. Now you can see, let's delete twitlock and run. I will run f5.exe, and now I will drag and drop untitled.xml on. We have to build image. You can see the image is built, so we have completed. This is the out image 16.3. So we will compare with old and new one. So this is the out image. So let's check whether matching or not all. So we got configured, but if you compare with old one, this is the new BIOS. If you compare this, you can see here we have these are. Oh wait. Even if you're not killing auto system will be even configured. So you can see here all BIOS. It's initialize. See here. So our BIOS is configured means clean. Now you have to program, and this is the method of making Ideapad. Okay, thank you.